There are physical and political boundaries between the 16 cities and one municipality in Metro Manila, but this does not apply to floodwaters. And now the rainy season has just begun. Stanley Gaheta tells us about the government's preparations.
Intermittent rains associated with the southwest monsoon have started to affect Metro Manila and the western sections of the country. Just how ready are the local government units in responding to the dangers of flooding? Marikina, a flood-prone city, started some dredging activity in Marikina River immediately after Typhoon Ulysses hit in 2020.
We're trying to widen and deepen the river, to deepen it para ma-maintain yung 21 meters na depth ng Marikina River na ideal para ma-maintain yung required velocity ng water current.
The Metro Manila Development Authority is rehabilitating different pumping stations in NCR.
Meron tayong World Bank funded project na nagre-rehab currently ng around 10 pumping stations natin. Pinapalitan na po yung mga luma na mga pumps na 30 plus years na ang edad at medyo mahina yung capacity.
Aside from the billion-peso World Bank-funded project with DPWH Unified Project Management Office, Artes adds, there are other MMDA efforts to help address the flooding problem.
Meron din po tayong waste granulator kung saan yung atin pong basura na nakukuha sa mga pumping stations ay ginigiling natin at isinasama bilang sangkap ng paggawa ng eco brick at hollow blocks.
In 2021, the Commission on Audit reports that MMDA only completed 27 out of 94 flood control projects in 2020.
Hindi po kasi ganun kadali yung implementation niyan. Unang-una, masyadong technical yung mga projects, so yung paggawa pa lang po ng mga technical specifications ay mahirap na.
The Department of Public Works and Highways, NCR, says about 40 flood control projects are focused in Kamanava area, particularly in Malabon and Navotas. 32 of these are ongoing.
Natapos tayo ng Kamanava dahil nga proactive yung approach natin. Nakuha pang nag-transfer sa mga less flood prone area.
Authorities insist any project to address flooding won't be successful if people will continue throwing their garbage improperly. Stanley Gaheta, CNN Philippines.